Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to create candlestick charts in Google Sheets. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a powerful tool at your fingertips for visualizing financial data like a pro, whether you're tracking stock prices, analyzing trends, or just looking to step up your spreadsheet game. Let's dive straight into it. First, make sure you've got your data ready in Google Sheets. For a candlestick chart to work, you'll need data set out with columns that represent the date, the opening price, the highest price, the lowest price, and the closing price in that order. Think of each row as a summary of what happened with that stock or commodity in a certain period, usually a day. If you're not sure what those mean, just remember, open is where the price started, high is the top price reached, low is the bottom, and close is where it ended. If your columns aren't labeled, I recommend adding those titles now. It'll help keep everything clear when we start creating the chart. Now with your data highlighted, let's go up to the top menu and click on Insert. This is always your go-to spot for adding anything new into your sheet, from images to charts. Once you click Insert, choose Chart from the drop-down menu. This will instantly create a default chart, but don't worry, it probably won't be a candlestick chart right off the bat. Google Sheets usually starts with a different type, like a column chart, as a placeholder. Here's the key step. In the chart editor panel that appears on the right side of your screen, look for the chart type section. It might say something like column chart or line chart at first. Click on this to open the full menu of available chart options. Now here's a little tip: the candlestick option isn't always right at the top. You might need to scroll down. Keep an eye out for a section called Other or More. When you see candlestick chart, go ahead and select it. If you hover your mouse over the different chart types, Google Sheets will tell you what each one is, which is super helpful if you're trying this for the first time. Selecting the candlestick chart will instantly transform your generic chart into the specialized format we want. Now you'll see those familiar bars with vertical lines, where each candlestick represents the open, high, low, and close prices for each period in your data. The body of the candlestick shows the difference between the open and close, and the lines, sometimes called wicks, show how high or low things went. It's a fantastic visual way to spot trends, like whether the day's trading was bullish or bearish. If you're working with financial data, this is the format almost everyone uses to spot patterns or make decisions. If the chart doesn't look right, double-check your data order. Google Sheets expects it exactly as I explained earlier. Sometimes just going back and fixing a tiny typo or rearranging the columns can solve it quickly. And don't worry if the chart needs a little formatting. You can adjust colors, add titles, or fine-tune the axes by exploring the Customize tab in the chart editor. Spend a moment making it look just how you want. A good-looking chart is always easier to read and understand. And that's it. You've just created a candlestick chart in Google Sheets. It really is that straightforward, and once you've done it a couple times, it'll feel like second nature. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give the video a like. Leave any questions or thoughts down in the comments. I always love hearing what you're working on, and make sure to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and happy charting.